those easy ones that simply just do the math. Of course, measure the bottom, measure the top, and then what you come up with that, then the number you get at the bottom, that's your tension that your length, your chain should be. And of course, it's very different on every bike. Usually the bikes have it right here on the swing arm, the swing bar. Gonna switch sides. Maintenance that you do need to keep track of. It's the same thing as your tire pressure. You got to keep track of it. You can have driveline lash. Chain could get tangled up. Either way, it's bad news. You can get tossed off the bike, and you don't want that to happen, especially if you ride the highway. And you can check your owner's manual. Okay. Now, as you can see, the chain, you want to always measure. See that you want, so I'm gonna be measuring. So you don't want too much tension. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back before it starts to pour on me. So my bike's a bit dirty. It is raining right now. This is metal. You gotta wipe it down right away. Once, if you're riding in the rain, you gotta definitely get it dry. You're gonna get rust. So these are simple instructions to follow. If you're not sure still, always look up YouTube University and look up your manual. And like I said, you should have it on your swing bar. Alright, so I'm going to be getting the bike out of the rain, but first I'm going to go for a test drive to see if the drive line isn't still the issue that it was. Go, go, go. Alright, and we're out. Close the gate. Okay, so I shouldn't be having an issue no more. That might be too tight. Oh gosh, that's too tight. Yeah, need to fix it. Okay, have to readjust it now from here. Okay. What? Hit the wrong one? I did. I got the dummy wrench, thankfully. What? Okay, here we go. Okay, loosen you. What the fuck? Okay. Back to square one. Okay. Put that bad boy there. Alright, loosen you. Okay. Okay. Here goes there. And actually, I didn't even take off the chain guard. I just did that so I could see the chain. Excuse my language. Okay. Here we go. Yes, sir. Yeah. It is. The road gets stupid slick. I'm glad you're okay. They told me what happened.
Dude, I was walking down here. The neighbors, you know Marissa?
Yes.
The grandkids were outside playing with the ball. And the fucking asshole, bro, at least 45, 50 from around East Street, came around the corner from the project, hauled ass all the way down the street, bro. Blew through all the stop signs, almost hit the little kid. Pulled out, didn't even stop, homie. California rolled through the stop sign down there.
Yeah.
Tried to go around the corner and boom, just hit the fucking truck, dude.
Stupid. Yeah, I got told last night.
Everyone got out and ran. The driver got back in and tried to drive away, but the fucking bumper and everything went under the car, and he just was spinning tires, bro.
Stupid.
Fucking idiot.
When we got here last night from out of town, we were directed to come in right there. We saw the car, the gray one, the silver.
Yeah, the gray one.
Yeah.
The truck.
Yeah. We didn't see the truck. We just saw that car.
The truck hit him so hard, he went right through him, bro. He hit the truck, the car. Boom, the car spun twice. Stopped, and the car ended up right in front of Anna's shop, dude.
Damn.
Yeah, and he hit, you know where the business is right here?
Yeah.
Homie was coming down, the car was coming up, and he hit him so hard, he still ended up in front of Anna's shit. The car was halfway around the building when he hit. Boom, and he still ended up by Anna. That's how hard he hit him, dog.
No fatalities?
Huh?
No one died, huh?
Bro, the cops searched the car. Bottles of liquor, bottles of beer. There was like a 30 rack. There was like fucking 2 or 3 bottles.
No wonder why they ran.
Idiots, bro.
Yeah. Yes.
I worry about you guys on bikes because they don't fucking see you guys or hear you guys or pay attention.
No. I get hit almost every time I'm on the road.
That's fucking wild.
Almost every time. Yeah.
And then this place is bad for drunk driving. Too.
Yes. I agree. I'm glad you're okay though, Manny.
You guys doing okay though?
Yeah. Day by day.
How's the baby?
Baby's doing good.
Getting big?
Yes. 8 pounds
Go
now.
fast, brother. You go fast. Next thing you know, he's gonna be 16 calling you bro and shit.
Nah. Yeah, he's getting big fast. Too fast.
Congratulations, man. I'm happy for you guys.
Thank you, my brother.
Take care. Be safe.
Yes, sir. You too. Yeah, I better go before this rain hits. Keep doing that. What? Okay. Put back on the Dulio. Okay. Put the tools back. Too much tools just to do that, I know. Probably don't even need this big ass hoodie I have on. Okay. So this is a test drive to make sure the chain and everything isn't doing what it's been doing before. The problem happens when, of course, I shift the gear. thanks for watching. So that did fix the issue, but unfortunately the chain does continue to keep coming loose. Bolts, I suppose. Could be that I just didn't tighten it properly last time. And just gotta keep watch for that.